Got it there, buddy?
Almost. Hold your horses. I almost got it.
Want me to give it a try?
I just about got it. Who do you think you're talking to here? Some kind of idiot?
No. Why would you insist on taking everything so personally? I just thought maybe you couldn't do it and wanted me to give it a try.
Don't worry. I'll get it. I'll get it without you even helping me.
Okay. Sorry I even offered to help.
Well, you didn't offer to help. You offered to do. There's a big difference.
Big difference. Do, help, do. They're the same thing.
Fine. You can help. Not do, but help.
Well, I either do it myself or nothing.
Okay, fine. Then do it all yourself.
Good. Now no rushing me because I've never done this before.
Never done this before. If you've never done it before, then why are you bugging me?
It looked easy. Easy for the fact that you couldn't do it. Hey, can anyone give me a hand here?